Hello, and welcome back to our Patent AEDY Pop-Up Practices series. My name is Bethany Seidella, and I'm a member of the Patent AEDY team. Has your team created and refined your school-wide behavior matrix? It may be time to begin working on a classroom matrix. Today, we will help you to begin this important work. By this time, your MTSS team has already built a school-wide behavior matrix. This matrix reflects the expected behaviors in all areas of the school. This can include hallways, restrooms, cafeteria, computer lab, gymnasium, and of course, the classroom. Students spend a majority of their time in the classroom. This makes it very important to have clear procedures and routines explicitly communicated. So, what is a classroom matrix? A classroom matrix provides clear routines and procedures for activities that take place often in the classroom. It is important to note that these are not additional rules or expectations. Those are already outlined in your school-wide matrix. Your classroom matrix will outline and clarify the procedures in the specific context of the classroom. So, for example, in this matrix, in the classroom location, the expectation is be responsible, and the indicator is follow directions and have materials ready. You will create procedures to support this, such as a procedure for turning in homework and classwork, and a procedure for obtaining needed materials, such as technology, writing utensils, and other items. Let's look at what should be included in a classroom matrix. Your classroom matrix is an elaborated extension of the school-wide matrix. You will want to think about the daily tasks that may consume time and create procedures and routines for them. Consider the following: entering and exiting the classroom, technology usage, restroom use, group work, handing in work, transitions to other areas in the school, independent work, obtaining teachers' attention, obtaining needed materials such as pencils, paper, tissues, and class discussions. So let's go through the steps to creating your classroom behavior matrix. To begin the work of creating the classroom matrix, your team will start with your school-wide matrix. You will want to build the classroom matrix off of the 3 to 5 core principles that drive student behavior. It is important to stick with the language of the school-wide matrix as the common language. Next, you will want to elicit student input. This sends the clear message that you value the opinion of the students and sets the tone for a classroom community where everyone belongs and has a voice. When you encounter a lack of consensus, refer to the school-wide matrix to help guide decision-making. It is not enough to just tell students the classroom procedures. Explicit teaching is needed. You will need to provide opportunities for students to practice. Start by modeling, then provide opportunities for them and provide feedback. Ensure that you are acknowledging when students are following the protocols, as well as providing prompt error correction and feedback. Ensure the matrix is posted in all areas throughout the classroom where it can be easily viewed and accessed by all students. It could even be at each student's desk or learning station, in addition to other areas of high visibility. You want to be able to reference it quickly and easily as you acknowledge students for their positive behavior. Share the classroom matrix with your families and refer to it when providing feedback on behavior. And we have our finished product. Here you see the school-wide matrix on the left, which was used to create the classroom matrix on the right. These will be included in the resources. As always with any effective MTSS framework, you will want to look at your data and consider if any other areas of the school need reteaching or perhaps a more detailed matrix. Thank you for joining us today on Pop-Up Practices, where practice makes progress.